Good morning dear students. Welcome to our computer class. In this video, we are going to discuss our chapter 2, Understanding Windows. Do you know what is this Windows? Yes, Windows is an operating system. The first topic is desktop and its components. What do you mean by desktop? Desktop is the first screen that appears when you switch on the computer. Now, we are going to discuss about the components of this first screen of the computer. First one is icons. Have you seen icons on desktop? Have you seen the small labeled pictures on the desktop? Yeah, that small pictures are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. Next is taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. In the taskbar, at the left side there is a start button and at the right side there is a clock. Here, the right side of the taskbar is known as notification area. When you click on here, we can see all the notifications here. Then, do you know what is the middle section of the taskbar? The middle section of the taskbar shows all open applications. That means which are not really closed. For example, you have opened a Word file. Instead of closing, you are doing minimize. How will we do minimize? Click on the top right corner, this minus button. What happened now? Where it gone? Yes, it is minimized to taskbar. See, at the middle portion of the taskbar, it is saved. Can you see our Word file here at the middle of the taskbar? Yes, it is here. How can we retake it? Yes, when you click on this button, it will appear. Like this, all open applications we can see at the middle of the taskbar. Next is Start button. Start menu gives you quick access to documents. To open Start menu, bring the mouse pointer on the Start button and click on it. The list of programs appeared now is called Start menu. We can access the documents, different types of documents which are saved in the computer with the help of this Start menu. The next topic we have to learn is very simple, that is selecting and deselecting icon. Dear students, listen to this screen. Here you can see lots of icons. What is icon? These small labeled pictures are called icons. Now we are going to learn how can we select these icons. To select any icon, what you have to do is simply click on it. Now I have selected an icon of Google Chrome. Isn't it? When I clicked on it, what happened? The icon is highlighted. Now, how can we deselect an icon? To deselect an icon, click away from it. Yes, the icon is changed in its original form. Now we have deselected the icon of Google Chrome. Next we are going to learn selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. First we can check how can we select adjacent icons. Dear children, listen to this screen. We know how to select an icon. Yes, single click on icon. Now I selected Google Chrome icon. Now I want to select these 3 more adjacent icons together. How can I do? When I click on the next icon, first selection gone. When I click the next, selection on this PC icon gone. Then how can I select these adjacent 4 icons? Listen children, for selecting adjacent icons, first select the first icon. Then hold the shift key and click on the last icon to be selected. Then release the shift key. All the adjacent icons are selected. Like this, we can select the adjacent items by holding the shift key. How can we select non-adjacent items? That means here I want to select the word file study and another word file welcome. How can I select? Here you have to hold Control key. Then click one by one each of the items you need to select. In this way, by using Control key, we can select non-adjacent items. The next topic is very easy topic and you know already. Opening a program. How can we open a program? Files or folders. In 3 ways we can open a program. Let's see what are they. The first one, click on the icon which you want to select and press enter key. It will be opened. Then the second method is right click on the icon which you want to open, then select open. Many of you are doing like this, isn't it? Yes. One more method is there. That is, double click the left mouse button on the icon to open. These are the 3 methods to open a program. Dear children, in this video, first we have learned about 3 important components of desktop. They are icons, taskbar and start button. Then we learn about how can we select and deselect an icon. Next we learn about how to select adjacent and non-adjacent items. Then we learn how can we open a program. Watch this video and learn these topics. Thank you.